Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to log into your Goodwall account on your phone. So let's get started. First, open your Goodwall application from your mobile home screen. If you have not installed it yet, go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Goodwall and install it. Once the app opens, you'll land up on a sign up page. If you're new to this application, you'll have multiple options through which you can sign up. But for this video, we're trying to log in. So simply tap on login. Here, choose the email or phone number you signed up with. Then enter your password. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap on forgot password to retrieve it via email. Make sure your internet is on and your credentials are correct. Then tap on login. And that's it. You are now logged into your Goodwall account. Start exploring the feed, join challenges, and connect with people worldwide. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more mobile tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.